Welcome students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine and I hope you have enjoyed a lot during your winter vacations. So now it's time to get back towards your studies. As you all know that before winter vacation we have started revision. Today we will revise two topics of grammar skill. First topic reported speech and second one is past perfect tense. First we will see the formulas of past perfect tense. The past perfect tense in English is composed of two parts: the past tense, the verb to have had, plus the past participle of the main verb. For making positive sentences, first we will write subject, then had, then past participle, means third form of the verb, then object. She had finished. She is subject, had is the helping verb of past perfect tense, finished is the past participle, means third form of the verb. Here is no object. For making negative sentences, first we will write subject, then had, and for making a negative sentence, we will write not, then past participle, then object. She had not finished. She is subject, had not, had is the helping verb of past perfect tense, not, we will add not for making a negative sentence, and then finish. It is a past participle, means third form of the verb. For making interrogative sentence, first we will write had. That is the helping verb of past perfect tense. Then subject, then past participle, then object, and in the end we have to put question mark. Had she finished? Had is the helping verb of past perfect tense. She is subject. Finished is past participle. Now let's move on. The exercise. Question. Complete each sentence with the past perfect tense of the verb and underline the past tense verb. What we have to do? We will complete the blanks with past perfect tense of the verb, means had plus third form of the verb. Then we will underline past tense verb, means second form of the verb. After she dash complete her homework, she went to bed. After she had completed, third form of the verb, completed is the third form of the verb of complete. After she had completed her homework, she went to bed. In this sentence, we will underline went. That is the past tense verb, means second form of the verb. Next sentence, when we arrived, the movie dash start already. In the blank, first we will write had, that is the helping verb of past perfect tense. Then we will change first form of the verb into third form of the verb, that is started, had started, already. And we will underline arrived. That is the past tense verb, means second form of the verb. My friend told me that he dash discovered a cave. In this sentence, first we will underline told, that is the past tense verb, means second form of the verb. Then in the blank we write had, that is the helping verb of past perfect tense. Then we will change first form of the verb into third form of the verb, discovered, had discovered a cave. The neighbor found out who dash broke his window. In this sentence, first we will underline found, that is the past tense verb, means second form of the verb. Then in the blank, first we will write had, that is the helping verb of past perfect tense. Then we will change second form of the verb into third form of the verb. Into the third form of the verb, that is broken. Had broken his window. She sobbed after she dashed about my misfortune. In this sentence, first we will underline sob. That is the past tense verb, means second form of the verb. Then in the blank we first write had, that is the helping verb of past perfect tense. Then we will change first form of the verb into third form of the verb, that is her. She had heard about my misfortune. The farmer stopped plowing only after the sun set. In this sentence, we will underline stop, that is the past tense verb. Then we will write had and set. We will not change this word because there will be no changing. Set, set, set is first, second, third form will be same. So had set. The farmer stopped plowing only after the sun had set. Dad burned the leaves after he dashed them into a pile. Burned. We have first we will underline burned. That is the past tense verb, means second form of the verb. Then in the blank we will write had, and we will change first form of the verb into third form of the verb, that is swept. Had swept. By the time police came, the unruly crowd dashed dispersed. In this sentence, first we will underline came. That is the past tense verb, means second form of the verb. Then in the blank had, we will write had, that is the helping verb of past perfect tense, and we will change first form of the verb into third form of the verb, that is dispersed. Had dispersed. The entered the house. The thief entered the house after they dash. Check that it was safe. What you have to do, first you will underline entered. That is the helping verb of past perfect tense. That is second form of the verb, past tense verb, that is second form of the verb. And then in the blank you will write had, and then you will change check into checked, third form of the verb. Had checked. Dad called to say that he dared forget his mobile phone. First you will underline call, that is the second form of verb, and in the blank you will write had forgotten. Forget will change into forgotten. He had forgotten his mobile phone. Now we will move on. Now let's move on our next topic, that is indirect speech. In indirect speech, first we'll see the definition. In indirect speech, sometimes called reported speech, we do not use the exact words of the speaker. Instead, we report what was said. We sometimes need to change pronouns and verb tenses. We don't use speech marks. I am going home. Helen said he was going home. Now let's move on exercise. Question number 2, change the direct speech into reported speech. In this sentence, we will change the direct speech into reported speech. The first sentence is, Terry suggested, let me take over because I have had my lunch earlier. What you have to do, Terry suggested that he had to make over because he had his lunch earlier. What you have to do, you have to remove the inverted commas, and then you will write that, and then you will change pronouns me into he, and then you will add past perfect tense had to make over because he had his lunch earlier. I have read the book you lent me, said John to me. John said to me that he had read the book that I lent him. Have lost my mother, sobbed the little girl. The little girl sobbed that she had lost her mother. I saw an accident on the way to school, said Tom. Tom said that he had seen an accident on the way to school. I have got to leave early, apologized Sam. Sam apologized that he had got to leave early. We have already washed the dishes, reported Bob. Bob reported that they had already washed the dishes. Who has borrowed my pen? Asked Jane. Jane asked that who had borrowed his pen. I did not do it, insisted Mark. Mark insisted that he had not done it. I received a letter from my pen pal, said Bill. Bill said that he had received a letter from his pen pal. Okay students, today's revision is completed. So now I'm going to assign you the home task. What you have to do, you have to learn grammar skill page number 35, 36, 38. And you have to learn grammar skill page number 73 and 74. And must learn it. Okay students, today's revision is completed and I have assigned you the home task. So have a nice day. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed.